Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Camera. This is where Capture defaults live. Once in Camera Settings, find Live Photos and the Preserve Settings option so you don't lose preferences. You do this now because the camera app's live control can change per session. Setting it here makes the change stick. Make sure iOS is current so menu labels match. If not, the steps still apply but labels may vary. You toggle Live Photos off right in Camera Settings. Some iPhones show Auto Live Photos, switch that off too. Once done, go to Preserve Settings and flip the Live Photos Preserve toggle on so the camera remembers your off preference. Then, open Camera to verify the live icon at the top shows a slash or is inactive. This sequence stops live capture and prevents the camera from reverting when you switch modes, or you finish by taking a quick test photo and inspecting it in Photos to confirm there is no live label. That proves live photos are off. If live keeps turning back on, reboot your iPhone and reapply the toggles. Temporary glitches clear with a restart. If issues persist, reset camera settings in Settings General Reset. Do this only as a last resort because it clears custom camera preferences. This process ensures live remains disabled, and you understand why each step matters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.